Genghis Khan once demanded 1,000 cats and birds to burn a city to the ground. In the early 13th century, Genghis Khan led the Mongol Empire's expansion across Asia. During the siege of Volohai, a fortified city in China, the Mongols faced resistance. Rather than storm the walls, Genghis Khan made a strange demand. He asked the city to surrender 1,000 cats and birds as tribute. The citizens complied, hoping to avoid destruction. But the animals weren't spared. They were turned into weapons. Mongol soldiers tied burning cloth to their tails and released them. The terrified animals fled, straight into homes, barns, and rooftops. Flames spread rapidly. Volohai's defenses crumbled from within. The Mongols entered without a fight. It was psychological warfare, brilliant, brutal, and unforgettable. This tactic is recorded in military texts as an example of non-traditional siege warfare. It shows how Genghis Khan conquered not just with swords, but with strategy that turned nature and fear into firepower.